Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So, let's get started. First things first, open Roblox on any browser. Once you are in, navigate to the top of the page and click on Create. If for some reason you're on a different page, simply type in create.roblox.com in your browser and hit enter. You'll be directed to the Creator Hub. Once you are in the Creator Hub, now, on the left-hand side, click on Creations. Then select the Experiences tab. After that, choose the experience you want to create a game pass for. Let's say you're creating one for a game like Please Donate. Now, at the left side, you will see multiple options. Scroll down to the bottom and find Monetization Products. And then click on the passes. After some loading, a screen will appear. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Create a Pass. You'll be prompted to upload an image for your game pass. Choose one that represents your pass well. Next, give your game pass a catchy name. And maybe a brief description. When you've done this, then hit Create Pass. Boom! You've just created your game pass. But wait, it's not ready for sale just yet. Click on your newly created pass again. Then head over to the left and click on Sales. Toggle the switch to put your pass up for sale. Now, enter the price. Remember, you'll keep 70% of the sales revenue. Once you've set the price, hit Save Changes. And that's it. You're all set to start selling your game pass. To check it out, head back to your passes, click on the three dots next to your pass, and open it in a new tab. Voila! Your game pass is now ready for players to purchase and enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.